Do you have video files with very large file sizes? Most likely, you will have difficulty uploading this to the internet or an external drive because of its file size. To solve this problem, we reduce or resize the file size. However, there are also times that when we reduce the file size, it affects the quality of the video. So, I was really very happy when I discovered this app which converts video from nearly any file format without compromising the video quality. And what is nice about it is that it is free and open source, so anybody can use it. I am referring to Handbrake. Download Handbrake. You go to their website, handbrake.fr. According to the website, Handbrake is a tool for converting video from nearly any format to a selection of modern, widely supported codecs. So again, it is free and open source and can be downloaded in multi-platforms such as Windows, Mac, and Linux. All you have to do is to click the red button here to download the app. The application, you can now start using the Handbrake app to convert your videos. All you have to do is simply drop a file here, a single video file here, or if you have a folder containing various or multiple videos, you can also drop the folder here, or you can also upload the video from here if it's a folder, and this one if it's a single video file. Now, for the purpose of this demo, I will just upload a single video file. Just click this one, locate the video that you're going to reduce, for example, this one, click the video and then just simply click open. Just wait for it to be scanned and uploaded in the app. This may take a while. All you have to do is just wait. Now, the video is now downloaded in the application. Here you can see the title of the video, the source, the angle, the range, and then the duration of the video. Now, the very important thing that you need to do next is to identify the preset, because this is going to be your new file format now. So if you click this one, there are many options. Like in general, you have here very fast, including the pixels. Then you can also uh, use web, for example, if you want to convert it into a video file that can be attached to Gmail, or to be uploaded in Vimeo, YouTube. Or you can also check here some devices. For example, if you want to convert the video into a video file format that can be played in Apple products or Android products, Matroska here, and then production file formats here. Now, for the purpose of this demo, I will just use general and then very fast, because I wanted it to be converted in a very fast way. And then you can also see here the file format, of course. For me, I would really love to choose MP4, but you can change this to MKV. And then some other settings here, and then you can also change the dimension. You can filter, you can change the quality of the video here. Either you lower the quality or the other way around. You can also change the audio settings here, some subtitles and the chapters. But for me, I will not change the settings here because I would just love to reduce the file size. And then the next thing that you need to do is to, of course, choose the location in which you are going to save the new file format now. So you're going to click here, browse, and then let's say I have here a folder reduced, so I will choose that one and then just click save. That means the new file format now will now be saved in the reduced format. Then all you have to do is to Write a file name. For example, I'll just put one and then click save. There you go. And then the last thing that you need to do now is to start encode. Click the button here and just wait for it to be encoded and converted to the new file format in which you have set in this app. That's it. That's how you convert video file formats in Handbrake. If you still have questions about the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer all of them. That's it for App Wednesday episode for today, and I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to click subscribe to be updated for next episodes of App Wednesday.